Hi, my name's Janelle and welcome back to Genie Sweets, where today, in honor of National Beer Day, I'm going to be making beer bread. Yes, super easy. All you need is about an hour and 20 minutes to make it, and you get this golden, delicious beer bread. So the beer that I'm going to be using today is Kona Brewing's Gold Cliff IPA with real pineapple in it. I chose this one because I love pineapple and it adds that little bit of sweetness, and the IPA gives it a little bit of that kick. So let's get started. What you're going to be doing is you're going to preheat your oven to 350 degrees and then get 3 cups of pre-sifted all-purpose flour. Pour it in a medium-sized bowl. Next, you're going to be getting 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 2 tablespoons of white sugar, and 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. Next, for my favorite part, the beer. So I'm going to pop this open and I'm just going to pour it right into the bowl. Use a spatula, just fold in the beer into the flour mixture. The dough is almost going to lift from the sides of the bowl. This bread already smells so good. I could smell the pineapple. I have a pre-greased and lined pan with parchment paper. This is a loaf pan, and I'm going to pour it into the bread pan. And this is a very sticky dough, so I'm gonna go slow and steady. Then I'm gonna smooth this down with the spatula. It's gonna look a little something like this. Lastly is 2 tablespoons of melted butter, and you're just gonna pour it right on top. Mix it around over here. Put it in your preheated 350 degree oven for about 55 minutes to an hour. So now that my bread is cooled and out of the oven, we can pull up on the parchment paper and take a look at this. The texture looks great, absolutely delicious. It's not too sweet. Maybe add a little butter on top with some honey. I highly recommend this recipe. Happy National Beer Day, and I'll see you next time on Genie Sweets. Bye.